Okay, this is the graduation gift that father is giving to son. Okay, Jesse, look up here and smile. Yeah. Not only did Dad give him the car, but he's also helping him wash it. And Grandpa is kind of watching the whole thing.
Whatever you touch, don't break it. Yeah, we'll just watch the damn car and I'll figure it out later. I'll figure out your broken shit.
We're washing the car.
Yeah, fuck. Okay.
Oh, let me see. I got to go all the way around the car. Yeah. Good job there, Mark.
I'm working on it.
When did you tell him you would give him this if he graduated?
About 2 years ago.
2 years ago. So he was in the middle of high school. And so he got really serious with his studies. And,
Yeah, he tried.
and now...
I guess he made her.
Yeah, now... Oh, this is a fabulous picture here. Okay.